I am Vanshika Singh from class 12th and today I am present in class 5th to explain a topic that is types of fraction. Before starting this, let me give you a brief about what is fraction. So let's just take an example 1. 1 is a whole. I am not saying it is a whole number. I am saying it is a whole. It is complete within itself. But when I will divide it, means like I'll subtract half from it, so we'll get 1 by half. Or I'll subtract it further, we'll get quarters, that is 1 by 4. So what is this? 1 was complete, 1 was whole. Now we have got half and a quarter. This, a part of a whole, is called as fraction. This is fraction. So now we have got an idea of what is fraction. Now let's move on to types of fraction. We have total of 6 types of fraction: like fraction, unlike fraction, proper fraction, improper fraction, unit fraction, and mixed fraction. Let's start one by one and see what are they. First we'll talk about like fraction. The meaning is hidden in the word itself, like. Like means something similar. So when we, let's take an example of fractions. Let us say 2 by 6, 3 by 6, 4 by 6, 5 by 6. We see one thing is common in all these fractions, that their denominator is 6. It is same. It is like. So we'll call it like. So what is like fraction? When denominator of the given fractions are same. They are similar, that is why we call it like fraction. Now let's move on to unlike fraction. It's a very easy trick. Let's just make pair. Like and unlike, proper and improper. So unlike fraction is just the opposite of like fraction. In like fraction we have got same denominators. So what will happen in unlike fraction? We'll get different denominators. You see this, there are also fractions, but what is the difference? Their denominators are different from each other. So this is unlike fraction. Now let's move on to proper fraction. A fraction, first of all let me tell you, a fraction, this is a fraction, it has two parts. The upper part is called as numerator and the below part is called as denominator. It's clear till here? So now proper fraction. What is a proper fraction? When the numerator is less than the denominator. So let's just take an example of 3 by 6. We have two parts, numerator and the denominator. But here the numerator is less than the denominator. So when such a condition arises, we call it a proper fraction. Now as I said earlier, we make a pair of like, unlike and proper, improper. So what will happen in improper? It will just be the opposite of proper. In improper fraction, the numerator is greater than the denominator. So let's just take another example. 13 by 10. Here you see 13 is greater than 10, which means the numerator is larger than the denominator. When such a condition arises, we call it improper fraction. Now we'll come to the fifth, that is unit fraction. Unit fraction, the definition of it is given in the word itself. You know what we call 1? We call 1 a unit number, okay? So unit means first. So whenever a fraction has 1 in the denominator, we call this a unit fraction. Now let's move on to the last fraction, that is mixed fraction. So the name itself suggests the definition. Mixed fraction, something that is a combination of two fractions. First is a whole and second is a proper fraction. So what is a mixed fraction? Mixed fraction, when a whole number and a proper fraction combines together, it forms mixed fraction. So 1, 3 by 6. Always remember, the whole here means not a whole number, but a whole, something that is complete within itself, not in the form of a fraction. So 1 is the complete number, 1, and a proper fraction. What we said, proper fraction, when the denominator is greater than the numerator. So here, the denominator is 6, numerator is 3, so this is a mixed fraction and is written in this way. So I hope everybody is clear about types of fractions and fractions. This was all about it. Thank you.